Drones are a great way to introduce children to aviation and spark innovation. Although drones are fun to fly, that toy you're considering for purchase is actually classified as an aircraft by the FAA, and there are important safety rules and tips you'll need to follow. First, any drone flown strictly for recreational purposes that weighs more than about half a pound must be registered with the FAA. You can do this through the FAA Drone Zone. Anyone aged 13 and up can register. An adult must register for anyone under 13. Registration costs $5 and is good for 3 years. Then, mark the drone on the outside with the registration number. After you are registered, make sure you know the basics of flying your drone. Remember to always keep your drone in sight, never interfere with other aircraft, and keep it at or below 400 feet. Since airspace can be confusing, we have a free app called Before You Fly that helps you understand what airspace you're in. If you want to fly in controlled airspace, you'll need authorization from the FAA before you fly. You can learn more on our website, along with videos and safety materials. Welcome to the world of aviation. Fly safe and have fun.